two kinds of dua, as we all know. Dua of thana, praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And then there is dua that you are making request, you're asking Allah for something. The first one is like, La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah, lahul mulku lahul hamd, wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. This is a dua, but there is no request here. And then there is another dua that you ask, Ya Allah, I ask you this, Ya Allah, I ask you this. The second part is also divided into two. Asking Allah for khayr mahd, asking Allah for something that is pure khayr, and asking Allah that I do not know whether it's khayr or shar. The first one, that is pure khayr, I do not connect it to something. I'll give you an example to clarify. I do not say, Ya Allah, enter me the Jannah if there is any khayr for me entering Jannah. Because entering the Jannah by itself is pure khayr. There's no any kind of shar in it. Ya Allah, bless me with your mercy if there's any khayr in your mercy. This is not the kind of dua. But the dua we're going to learn today, I do not know if there's any khayr or shar in it. And what inspired this dua is a young man, may Allah protect all our children, who came to me and he said, can I ask for death? I cannot take it anymore. I cannot take it anymore. I want to die. Can I ask Allah to take my soul? And we all know that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam naha an tamanni al-maut. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam prohibited asking for death. But he said this dua, Allahumma bi'ilmika al-ghayb wa qudratika ala al-khalq ahyini ma alimta al-hayata khayran li wa tawaffani idha alimta al-wafata khayran li. Ya Allah, with your knowledge of the unseen. You see, now here I'm connecting it to something because I do not know if it's khair or shar. Ya Allah, with the knowledge of the unseen. He asked Allah Azza wa Jal with two of his attributes. His knowledge of the unseen and Ya Allah with qudrataka ala al-khalq. This means two things. Your ability to create or your control over your creation. And they both are Allah's attributes. So Ya Allah, with your knowledge of the unseen and your ability to create and your control over creation, if you know that living is good for me, give me life. And if you know that dying is better for me, take my soul. Here, because the amr, there could be khair or shar, I asked Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with ilmihi al-ghayb, right? Now, there's a very common dua, especially in the Khalij. When people see you, they say, Tal umrak ya Sheikh. Allah yatawwil umrak. May Allah give you extended life. That dua by itself, right there, stop right there, it's not good. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when he was asked, Ya Rasulullah, man khayr nas, who are the best of people? What did he say? من طال عمره وحسن عمله ومن شر الناس من طال عمره وساء عمله. Ya Allah, Ya Rasulullah, who is the best of people? He's the one who has a long life and a good amal. So when you make the dua, you say, Ya Allah, Allah يطول عمرك ويحسن عملك. May Allah give you an extended life and good amal. And who's the worst of people, Ya Rasulullah? He said the one who has a long life, but he has evil deeds. So asking or making dua for someone with extension of their life and stopping right there is not usually a good thing, because we have no idea if that extension of life is going to lead them to the hellfire. So here, Ya Allah, extend my life if there is any khair in it. And Ya Allah, take my soul. Because that, subhanallah, وَقُدْرَتَكَ عَلَى الْخَلْقِ, with your ability and your control of your creation, you could take my soul anytime. Ya Allah, if you know that me living here is not good for me, Ya Allah, take my soul. Ya Allah, if living extra to 90 to 95 is good for me, I'm going to accumulate so many hasanat. Ya Allah, keep me alive. But don't ever say, Ya Allah, take my soul. This is how you start the dua. Ya Allah, with your knowledge of the unseen and your control in your creation, and then you ask, if there is any life, if there's any good in me being alive, extend my life. And if there is any good in taking my soul, Ya Allah, take my soul. So we repeat it one more time. Repeat after me, inshallah. Allahumma bi'ilmika al-ghayb wa qudratika ala al-khalq أحيني ما علمت الحياة خيرا لي وتوفني ما علمت الوفاة خيرا لي. May Allah make our last deeds our best deeds and our last words لا إله إلا الله.
Have you ever wished that there was a Muslim version of YouTube or Netflix? Well, we have created one. The One Islam TV app has no adverts and is safe to browse for your peace of mind. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran videos, stories of the prophets, hot topic, debates, and so much more. 4 to 8 new videos are uploaded daily, inshallah. You can watch or listen to videos while your device is switched off. Watch videos on demand or download videos and watch offline. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means the small amount you pay for your subscription is a SADAQAH JARIYAH, continuous charity for you, as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.